Okay, so welcome back. Lolana on Solana just launched like an hour ago. Okay, so whoever did in the pre-sale, you did very well if you sold on time. I did ROI in 10 minutes and I still hold some tokens and I'm trying to buy some more if the price drops. So check this out. So this is Lolana on Solana. It's a meme token, okay? Make sure you understand the risk right there. So let me just give you some updates. All right, so what's happening is the price launch right here. All right, let me just open in the full one. Give me a second. Okay, full. Okay, so when the price launch was right here and went all the way up. So whoever bought first and whoever took some profits did 19x. All right, 19x, 1,900% profit in 3 minutes. So whoever bought right here and sold right there, there are probably some people, not me, because my transaction was stuck. Some people using bots, I don't know how they're getting in so fast. I was not able to get in fast, but 19x. So what's happened is the price go up and the price go down. All right, let me just move my face. So up and then we go down and up again. So again here, whoever bought right here at the 0002 and sold right here, you just did 4x in 4 minutes. And then now it's going down and consolidation period. All right, so this is time to think to get in or to sold everything out. So what I did is I was selling and I sold something here around. All right, so I did around 1.5x already, okay, my money, and I still have a bunch of token left, around half of my tokens, and I'm keeping. If this price is going to drop down around 0.22, I'm going to buy some. Why? Because this is just launch. It's a meme token on Solana. What's mean? You never know how high can explode. And before we go anywhere, make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your research, right? This is crypto. You can lose everything or you can make some money. So it's a meme token, okay? Make sure you understand that. It's for fun. But people make crazy money for fun. And why... people will ask me, Phil, why you just don't sell and just 3x your money and get out? No. Why? Because I will tell you why. The first token, what they had, TLLN token, what was launched just for fun, airdrop for the investors, all right? There we go, now it's crashed, of course, because it doesn't work anymore. So did 110x, okay? So their experimental token did 110x after 1 week. So I'm happy. So right here, blow up from here. This is their experimental token, all right, all the way up to right there, okay? And that's why I'm going to hold this one, the Lolana, all right, just in case. This is consolidation period right here. That's why I'm doing this video now, okay? You have 0.0033. So if you got into the private sale and in the public sale for one sol, at this moment when the price is all the way down, you can cash out for 4x right here, 4.4x right now if you want to sell. I did sold because my transaction was stuck, very sadly, around right here on the bottom. I will start selling right here, but my transaction was stuck, and then I say accept new price, and I got like, yeah. But still, I got profit, but I can have more profit, but it is what it is. It's crypto, guys, all right? Now, that's about it. Just want to give you some update. Make sure, by the way, you join my Telegram for any updates you want, or if you want to chat with me, I'm always there. Make sure you follow these guys. They're going to have a lot of AMAs. They're going to have few, maybe more than few YouTube videos, so you never know how these things can blow up, all right? So when I'm doing this video, the price is here. I hope when I do next video, the price will be right here, all right? So let me just move it right there. Yes, to the moon. This is the moon right here. So Solana, let me just make that face, put some smile. All right, so come here, baby. I'm waiting for you right there. Only 50x from now. All right, not financial advice. Love you all. Goodbye. Till the next one.